Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about my long battle with technology. Meaning, if I don't understand something in technology, it makes me feel really, really, really upset, really, really angry, completely out of proportional to what the thing is. It makes me hate myself. I feel stupid, incapable, and it goes as far as not wanting to live anymore. It seems like such an unsurmountable obstacle. And I become in a state of panic that's very, very low vibration. So, what to do to, to change that? This has been haunting me for 30 years. So now I'm thinking, last time I was in that state, I was thinking, let's go there. What is it? And the first time, or one of the first time in technology, so I didn't really have it in school. And eventually I was in a place where I needed to have it, and I didn't have it. So I came in with a fear of, I'm supposed to know this, but I don't. There was shame and guilt and too scared to ask someone. And so that's how it started. And even though I took courses throughout my life, I never cleared this. So, like during my upbringing, like school was never too difficult for me. I'm good at how I eat, I'm good at exercising. So this is really something that was like the first thing I was not good at. And obviously I managed it terribly because also, well, the other thing I was good at was social skills. So it's a combination. And then throughout my life, every time that came up, it was poking in the wound. You're not good at this, you're behind in this, and you have no social skills, and now you're going to stay stuck poking it. And that it brought up all those things I didn't want to be. It left me behind, it left me stuck. I'm happy I can look at it now. The when the reaction, the emotional charge is way, way bigger than it should compared to the event. I'll give you another example. The cold. So in my teenage years, when I became bulimic and started throwing up, so that messes up your inner heating system. Also, I was super skinny. So I was always, always cold. And because those times were very difficult, and I had a lot of stuff to deal with in the inside, there was just of judgment from the outside. There was also the human cold. There was no human warmth. So I associated the cold from the outside with the human cold, having no human warmth. And that made it so hardcore. It's still, I'm still feeling it, but I'm aware of it now. So again, the emotional charge is completely out of proportional to the thing that's happening. So this video is not about technology or the code. It is about something, a trigger that's connected to a charge and that can keep us stuck. And to keep us trigger again and again and again. And to stop the constant poking in the wound, we really need to look at it. We need to look at what's scary. We need to go through the shaking and panicking if it's necessary. Because if we don't do that, there's different things in life, and we're good at certain things and not as good in others. But if one essential thing is very low, it's going to keep everything low, and we don't want that. And also, going where it's scary, that is where the healing, that is where the growth lies. And it is possible to go through it. And then a lot of other things can open up that stayed closed before. That is why I'm sharing about technology and cold, or whatever your thing might be that keeps you stuck and it's scary to look at. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I see you soon. Bye-bye.